Hi Royals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. Happy New Year. We are pretty much at the end of January now, but this is my first official lock video for the new year. So I hope you're all having a good year so far. And I am now 16 months locked. So we're gonna get into all the little changes and of course do our 360 of my locks. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to mention is that my locks have definitely thickened up and they are getting a lot denser. The frizziness is starting to disappear, especially around the back here. You can see how it's hanging differently than the rest because it is heavier, and it's definitely, like I said, getting a lot denser here. I still have some fluffy pieces like at my crown, but it's definitely going away. Like, you see that? The frizziness is just mainly at the ends. And that is so exciting because I love the look of dense, compact locks. Like, I want my locks to look like little ropes. So we are getting there. A lot of my ends are still curly, but except for the ones that I trimmed, but that's pretty much to be expected. I finished my most recent retie about a week or so ago, I think. So my roots are not super fresh, but they're pretty fresh. I had so much new growth because I think I waited about 7 weeks with this retie, so the front part really took me a lot of time. And unfortunately, I did lose another lock. It was right at the front here. I don't know exactly why. I think it's because I waited so long to retie again, but things have been so busy. We've moved into a new place and it's just been a really busy new year so far. So, and also we moved like right in the middle of Christmas time. So December, January have been just really hectic. But yeah, I lost a lock. I still have it. I don't know if I'm gonna bother trying to reattach it. I'm not really attached to my hair like that anymore. But there is like a little braid in here. It looks like this one. I have a little braid here. That's pretty much how it looks. So I was doing my retie and the lock wasn't going through. So I think I tugged on it a bit too hard. And because I hadn't retied in so long, there wasn't enough support there. So it just snapped off. But that's that. So, I mean, I'm 16 months locked. I've lost 2 locks so far. That's not too bad to me. The one that I lost in the back is actually growing back really fast. Here it is. This one. I don't know if you can see that. But it's in the back there. It's growing. It's fine. So I think I'm just going to leave it. I know that it will grow back. So it's not really a big deal for me. What else? So I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on shampoos that I love and shampoos that I hate, because I've used a bunch and I'm probably going to go back to an OG that I used in the very beginning, because shampoos right now are just not impressing me, the ones that I've used so far. So I'm going to be doing an updated video on the shampoos I've used and which ones I recommend. So stay tuned for that video. Another little update is I did trim like 2 locks or so. There was one here that was really long and I didn't like how it was just sticking out. And then I had like another one here that was sticking out. So I trimmed like probably this much, not too much off of it, just because as my hair grows, I want to kind of shape it into the shape that I want. So I'm happy with how it looks now. Okay, so I really don't have too much to update you on because, I mean, things are kind of the same in terms of like each time that I update you, the updates are pretty much the same. My hair continues to lock, it's getting denser, it's getting heavier, the frizziness is slowly disappearing. All of those things are going to continue to change until I'm fully locked. I don't know when I'm going to be fully locked, to be honest, but maybe at 2 years I'll be fully locked. But I'm almost there. Okay, so let's just get into this 360. I will say is I'm really eager to be able to put my hair into a ponytail, because sometimes I just want my hair like out of the way, but it is way too short and thick to do that right now. But I cannot wait for that day. Can anyone else relate to that? Like just getting your hair in a ponytail. That's what I'm looking forward to right now. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my 16 months locked update. Comment down below how your lock journey is going so far, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!